Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. It is currently Christmas Eve, 12/24/21, and I'm here to share with you my country farm Christmas journal that I've said is complete for now at least. Since it's Christmas Eve, I have to be done with this and move on to something else. I have had fun working in this. Sorry I didn't film too many process videos, but as you could probably tell by my voice, I'm a little stuffed up. My seasonal allergies have caught a hold of me, so. And with all the hecticness of Christmas, I've only been in the craft room at 10 or 15 minutes at a time to do little things. So, you know, the little things add up and then you're done. So, it's pretty good. I like the way this turned out. I think it's pretty cute. I didn't put anything on the back, but I love this fabric with the little red and green trucks. So adorable. And then I ended up just tying it with this red gingham ribbon. This is totally removable. It's not attached at all. So if you don't like that, you could just take it off. If you've watched the rest of the series, I made this out of a gift box top for the cover, and then some fabric and some felt. So there's a little bit of give, but it's just a thick piece of felt, so it's not quilted. That's the word I'm looking for. It's not quilted. I found some little yo-yos. Oh, sorry, that was my phone. I found some little yo-yos and a thrift store bag that were very Christmassy, so I sewed some buttons onto them and glued them on the front. So I thought that was a nice little accent. This actually, let's see what it came out to be. It's about 9 inches tall by, I'm going to say 5 3/4, and it's got a 2 1/4 inch spine. I did try doing a hidden spine this time for my first time, and I think it came out pretty cute. You'll see it when we get in there, but yeah, I've got floofy out the top, a little on the sides because I do have it closed, but and then no floofy on the bottom, except for this. All right, let's go inside. So like I said, I just have this ribbon just tied on there, and it wants to flop open. This little flap wants to come open. I put some lace on the edge here. This is from Hobby Lobby, and this is from Hobby Lobby also. And when you open it up, you have a little fabric pocket here over a manila file folder, so it's nice and sturdy. And we've got a bunch of goodies stuck in the first pocket. Made a little scrap booklet out of a cute farm scene. I found this in a, I honestly don't remember, it was a little art book or something, and I was like, oh, look at that cute little barn, that would be so cute in there. And then this tag I made with some scrapbook paper and music paper, and then I had this napkin that I had swapped in one of my Facebook groups. Journal card, and then this is one of the tags from the digital kit I used in here is Farmhouse Christmas from Dianne Shaw at Shawcraft 1. So that's what really inspired the rest of this book to be a Farmhouse Christmas book, was her kit. Okay, and then I also have some scrapbook papers that I found. This cardstock was all the prints were Christmassy, but they were over like wood type veneer, so you get this chippy paint. See, there's my hidden spine. So cute. I wrapped it with wrapping paper. And this is the inside lid of the gift box. All of this pattern. Alright, so let's go in. I did not count how many pages are in here, but there are 3 signatures, and there's a lot of pages. So let's just flip through. I'm sure you don't want to hear me being all stopped up. So I started out, I decorated some of the pockets, and then I decided that I was going to leave the decorating for whoever gets the journal. So I did put some things glued down, but not too many. I've got some goodies stuffed in that pocket. Look at this is from Diane's kit. Isn't that so cute? I put some lace and fluffies on the edges. I didn't have too much room because of the flap, but I still wanted something on the outside, so got a little bit of that. And that's the thing I like about Diane's kit too. You have some pages that you can print on the back that are really nice. I like this ledger. We got some tea-dyed paper. And then here I've got another one of her pockets. Made some more tags with the napkin. I'm sorry, the words are escaping me right now. And then I just started playing with an embossing machine. I thought that was so pretty. I like that. We've got an envelope clipped on here and another tag from the kit. Alright. Took this out of a book. Got some more of the kit papers. Then I used some of these lists and I folded them so they'd flip up, so you get a little bit of interactiveness here. Another book page. And then I didn't like what was on the back of the book page, so I covered it with this pocket, and we've got lots of little tags and goodies all tucked in the pockets. Some doily. Got a little bell charm on the tab up there. Fabric tab. Some music paper that I Kool-Aid dyed. I love this Santa face. Isn't he so cute? Okay, we're going to have to go much faster. Some wrapping paper. Ledger. This was a freebie from Joy Anderson from JJ with Joy on Facebook. It's the Facebook group. And then here I have a Christmas card tipped in, and it has, let's see, you can't see that, Christmas sugar cookie recipe on the back of the Christmas card. So I thought that was really cute to include. Some more tea-dye paper. Another book page. I like the post office with the little Santa, don't delay, mail today. Wow. Some more tea dye. And another little flip out pocket. So we've got some things in the pocket itself, and then there's also a tuck spot behind it. I combined some elements to make that tag. And then this one, this is a cut off piece of the box that I made into a tag. Alright, let's see, we have some more ledger. And this one I didn't cut off the wrapping paper. I wanted you to be able to use that in the journal if you want to cut it out and cut it off, flip it out. You could put tea-dyed paper on there and make it stiffer, whatever you like. Got another tag here with a collage on it, fabric tab, and a little angel just stuck on with a bulb pin. Some doily. Here's another Christmas card that flips out. This one's blank on the inside, but I put a little bit of a list pad here for you. You could write in journal in there. Grandma at the sink doing the dishes. Some more tea-dye paper. Another cute little pocket. A tag. And now here's the second signature. See, I didn't decorate this because I wanted to leave that for you to decorate if you were going to use this journal. Got some tags in there. Some more cute trim. I found some of these doilies with poinsettias on them. I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I'll use one of those. And then we have a little snowman dangly off of this tab. Another flip down list with a tab. This is a picture from the Gooseberry Patch recipe books that I've been using in my Christmas journals. The little cross-stitch people, so cute. For that Kool-Aid dyed music. Another fabric tab. Then this one flips out, I really liked this. I had a doily or something sitting on this while I was tea dyeing, and it was just so crusty. I said, I just don't want to cut that off. It's so cool. So I left it on there and just did a little collage here on the flip. And then here we have a paper clip that I made with two of the tiny tags Diane had. Instead of cutting them apart, I left them together, and then I just covered a paper clip with them. And I clicked on this little flip out booklet. It just has a little tuck here with a couple tags in it. And this little picture I cut out of I cut off some wrapping paper. That's it. And that one as well. So I thought that was cute. Just clip that in there. Paper clip that back on. It does paper clip. There we go. Then I have a little baggie here with some tickets in there. Again, I was playing with my new embossing machine there. Got some tickets in there. Look at that snow scene, isn't that so cute? Oh, I did a 5-hole pamphlet stitch to stitch this together, and then this is not embroidery floss, crochet thread, and it's variegated red and white and green, so each signature is a little, one's green and white, one's red and white, the other one's green and white. I left the tails long as well, if you want to tie buttons or charms or something on there. Okay, the other half of the bag with some more goodies in it. Oh, and then here's an idea I took from Dianne Shaw. She had ornaments in her kit, and she just sewed them together to make a belly band, and I thought, oh my goodness, that's so cute. I wanted to do that, so I made this out of a time card and an image from a book I found, then a little Christmas trivia card tucked in there. I really wanted to put everything in this journal, but it was getting too big way too fast, so I had to calm myself down. And here we got a big tag and some Christmas music tucked in there. Here we have another Christmas card, and then I've glued it so that it's a tuck spot as well. And there's a recipe card in behind it that you can journal on. We've got another fabric tab here. Nice little collage on this page. And then here I did a fabric flip. I learned how to do these from Diane Huber. So I was like, oh, I have all these cute fabrics that I'm not using in this journal, but they would be so adorable. So I just made a little flippy of some different ones here. And it's just got a little hidden writing space behind it. I thought that was so cute. Okay. Sorry, my throat is terrible today. I love this one too. Look at the little collage on the bottom there. Okay, we've got a tag I made with some napkin and a piece of that wrapping paper, and then another wrapping paper tag. I just sewed that to some tea-dyed paper. Santa's so cute. Okay, and then the third signature. I have another little flippy pocket. A little flashcard made into a tag. All right, dear, get in there. There you go. Some trim on this page. Another little flip down list with a little collage there. Some tea-dyed paper. I love how this tea-dyed paper came out. I use plastic placemats and tea, and you could just see the snowflake pattern in there. That's just the most awesome thing to me. They never come out the same twice. I just love it. Look at that side. Oh, so amazing. That's so much fun to do. Got a sugar and spice walnut recipe there for you. Another fabric tab. You got a pretty snowflake on this one. Nice music paper. Another one of these belly bands with the ornaments. And I've tucked a Christmas card and a old receipt in there. Excuse me. Oh my. No worries, it's just allergies. I'll be okay. Alright, and then here I have tucked, I made a journal card with some napkin on, I believe I used a file folder. So I have napkin on this side and then the receipt paper on that side. And I used one of Diane's, wow, words are so hard, embellishments, and I just made a little tuck spot on there. So I tucked a couple of tags in there. And then another paper clip with the little shaker bottle doodles. There's the other side of it. Alright, tea-dyed paper. Here's another pocket with a tag and a flashcard for Sheep. Hello, Mr. Sheep. I thought he went really well in this pocket with little sheeps on it. I may be a little loopy from cold medicine. Please forgive me. Okay. Tea-dyed paper, some ledger, more from the kit. Another fabric tab. Here's another little flip down list. Some more tags. Lace on the edge. And our final fabric flip with some more little pieces I had left over. Got horses on this one. Some hidden journaling space there. Alrighty. And then back here I have another fabric pocket. Got a little envelope with some goodies tucked in it. And I received this tag in a swap for some Christmas napkins, and he was so cute. I thought he just has to go in here. So I put him in here with Santa. And then I have a little tri-flip music tag, triple flip, I don't know, whatever you want to call that thing. I had fun making all these things. Some tags in there. And that's it. So I really hope you enjoyed the flip through of this one. I wanted to put everything in here, but this is all the stuff I had left over. I mean, the kit from Dianne was humongous. You could make 2 or 3 journals out of it. So, like I said, I'm going to call this journal done for now because it's literally Christmas tomorrow. So, I have to be done. I hope you join me for my next adventure. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with some other YouTubers in January. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. So I will catch all you kitties on the flip side, and see you next time. Bye!